Hi everyone. In this presentation, I'll be sharing how I prepared for USMLE Step 3. My preparation was simple and focused on few high resources. If you are preparing for Step 3, this approach can help you stay efficient and avoid using too many materials. My primary resources for Step 3 preparation was UWorld question bank. I did question daily and carefully reviewed the explanations. I used UWorld not just to test myself, but mainly to learn clinical reasoning and patient management. While doing UWorld questions, I focused on understanding why the answer was correct. Step 3 is less about memorization and more about decision making and next best step in the management. For CCS preparation, I mainly use the UWorld CCS cases. In my opinion, these cases are enough for most people preparing for Step 3. I also practiced with ccscases.com. It is also useful for practicing managed simulation and understanding the interference. However, I noticed it sometimes give higher score even if you overorder test or medications. And if you overorder in a step 3 examination, there is a negative marking. I also used recent NBME practice exams after I read out the materials. They helped me understand the question style and identify weak areas before the real exam. And I also did UWSA 1 and 2. I briefly reviewed pharmacology and immunology using the Step 1 UWorld and first aid. These foundational topics still appear in Step 3, especially drug mechanism. You will have to especially do from the first aid from the Step 1 and immune-related disease. My preparation strategy was simple. First, use UWorld as the main learning tool. Second, practice CCS cases regularly. Third, take recent NBME exam to assess readiness. And finally, review key Step 1 concepts like pharmacology and immunology. You do not need too many resources for Step 3. Consistency with few high quality tools is more effective than trying everything. And I would also like to mention that I also used Divine podcast for Step 3, which were also really helpful. And also I used the Enki car for Step 3, which I found on Reddit somewhere, which was also very helpful. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with other preparation for USMLE Step 3. Preparing for USMLE Step 3.